Today we're going to begin work on our spring projects. Spring projects are an opportunity for you to choose a topic that you are most interested in, to do some in-depth research and writing about that topic, and to create a hands-on project that explores that topic in depth. To begin with, we need to choose a topic. Now, your topic can be anything that is either science or history related. It needs to be a nonfiction topic, meaning it is about a real thing. And just to give you an example, you may not do a research project about Mickey Mouse, because Mickey Mouse is not a nonfiction topic. Mickey Mouse is made up. But you might do a research project about animation, because that's a nonfiction topic. So again, try to think of big topics rather than very narrow topics. You want to choose just right topics. So again, don't make it too specific or too broad. Too broad would be an example like space. Too specific, again, would be an example like Mickey Mouse. So before you start researching your topic, you need to make sure that it's been approved by your teacher. And your teacher is going to help you choose a topic that is just right. So it's not going to be too broad. It's not going to be too narrow. It's going to be right in between, and therefore it'll be easy to research. So, for example, doing an experiment about how much does light affect the growth of a plant? Obviously, plants need light to grow, but can they grow at all in the dark? What happens? That would be an experiment that would be just right. Or what kind of foods do squirrels prefer? I'm going to leave a couple different trays of food outside and measure which one disappears fastest. That would be an example of a just right topic. Or extreme weather. That would be an example of a great topic. It's more specific than just weather in general. You might just be looking at hurricanes and tornadoes, but it's not too specific. You're not just looking at, rain in Minnesota or something. So, but again, what is a topic that excites you and that you find really interesting, and is just right? Make sure it's approved by your teacher before you move on. Once your topic has been approved by your teacher and they say that you're ready to use that topic, you can begin working on your concept web. And this is the next step, this next beginning step. A concept web is very simple. So concept web, you take your topic, and I'm going to use that example of extreme weather as my example topic. And to make your concept web, you're going to put your topic in the center of a page. You can use any format that you want to make this. And then from here, you're going to think of what are questions or topics that you might want to write about. So right away, extreme weather, I'm going to think about, let's see here, tornadoes are cool. Tornadoes are cool. And I also wonder what causes tornadoes. I'm just going to write the word cause. This doesn't have to be, this is not a report that you're writing here. You're just getting your ideas on the page. I'm actually going to continue to shrink these so that I can fit lots of them on here. Tornadoes. What's the cause? What's another kind of extreme weather? Let's see here. Ooh, hurricanes. All right. And how is that affected by climate change? I know that climate change has something to do with hurricanes, but I'm not sure what. Does it have an impact? Is there a relationship? That's something I'm curious about. And let's see here. Extreme weather. What's some other thing? Oh, how about hail? I always think that hail is so interesting because it can do so much damage. And how do these giant heavy things stay up in the sky, I wonder? That's really strange to me. So hail is another kind of extreme weather. And how does it stay in the sky if it's so heavy that it can damage a car? How does it stay up there? I'm going to shrink that down a little bit too. All right, so I'm getting all my ideas on the page. How about this last topic? Let's see, I've got tornadoes, I've got hurricanes. How about polar vortex? That's when it gets so cold in the winter. So again, I'm just thinking of different topics that are related to my main topic, and then trying to branch off with as many as I can. We're going to try to get 5 ideas and questions on the page, and then even more ideas off of that. So again, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 main ideas here, and then each of those, try to ask a question. Try to ask a question that relates to that topic. So I'm making my questions a little bit darker here, just to illustrate that. So let's shoot for about 5. Find 5 main ideas. Here I've got just 4, like I said, and then we're going to try to come up with a question for each one for our concept web. So that's our first piece of our spring projects that we are going to work on, is our topic and concept web. Again, before you start any work on this, make sure you have it approved by your teacher, and then you can make a concept web, and we'll try to have that done in the week. Have fun with this. Let us know if you have any questions, and good luck with your work.